Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox a lot of people's favorite, which is this one. So this is a Toyota Supra JZA80. Okay, let me be very honest with you guys. When I bought this entire set, I mean I didn't buy it as an entire set. So I bought four separately and the R34 and this Supra separately. So when I bought those four in a shop, it had actually two sets. Some idiot actually came. That idiot only took the R34 and Supra from both sets and he left everything else. So luckily I was able to get these two, last week. So, from a different shop, that is by accident. I just went into a supermarket and I saw this. Actually, two are hanging there at that time. So I picked one of each. I left one for the collector because I really don't want to collect duplicates for apart from Lamborghini because obviously I love Lamborghini. So I want to keep one outside like this and I want to keep one sealed. So I have some plans in future, like huge display cases and also I want for that actually. So I'm worried about paint bubbling issues. So but for rest of the brands and cars I really don't mind, so I really don't go and buy two of each. So just for the sake of reselling, or I don't resell. Even if I sell, I do it for MRP. Okay, so with that said, let's unbox this. Okay, here is the card art, and the card art looks really beautiful. And we do have the Supra already, which is there, you can see, and we unboxed that last week. So okay, so this is by Majorette from their tune-up series. This is more specifically from their JDM Legend series. So with that said, let me put this card art aside, and we will get into the car right away. Let me take everything out first. Okay, so here is the box and the box art. Okay, this particular box art looks really nice and like flashy compared to the other two. Maybe because of the color scheme they are going with, I guess. So it looks really beautiful. And okay, let's open it. So I'm hoping for rubber tires. Yeah, we do have. Okay, so we have rubber tires and one. Let me put this here first. Okay, so here is the body kit. So this is the exact one which we saw last week in that particular one. So we have four rubber tires here. Okay, let me just put this aside for a minute. But the color scheme on this one actually looks a bit better than that one. So let's talk about the casting now. Okay, there's a little bit of scratch here, but the casting wise it looks really beautiful. It is a bit feeling a bit heavy, but it has a little bit of scratches on the windshield and even the roof here a little bit. The paint job looks really good. They the color combination they went with for this casting is really actually nice because it feels it looks fluorescent here, and when the light hits right it actually shines a little bit. So you have the acrylic headlights here and you have the Toyota logo here, that is really neat. And here you have the windshield wipers, and it has interior details to it that looks really nice. And it has some it has a roll cage as well. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. So this is the same set of rims I think we saw in that R34. Yeah, that's the same one. And it has tail light details as well, that looks really good. So okay, it has grill detail as well, turn indicators, everything is there, that looks really good. Let me just, yeah, okay, that stays there. It does have engine detailing to it, that looks really good. Honestly, I'm not seeing any issue with this Majorettes. I mean, these are really good. It has rear view mirrors as well, so yeah. Okay, it does have suspension, and I do love the trim here because they are actually matching this with the liveries here instead of the body color. Okay, the paint is glittering a little bit. It does look really nice. I'm really happy that they went with a lot of sponsors this time in a Castrol, then Bilstein, and there is one more if I'm not wrong in that Honda. What is that one? That Bilstein, and okay, that is also Bilstein if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Okay, let's see what other three castings has. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 41 grams, not bad. Honestly, even a lot of Hot Wheels doesn't have that much weight nowadays, even the premium ones. Okay, let's do a roll test. It does roll good. This is not the best, but it does roll. Yeah, it does roll good. So let's put on the body kit now. Okay, so when you are actually putting this particular body kit, don't put the tires first because it is not going to allow you to put the body kit. So but first put the body kit in, because if you, I don't know if you saw the older videos of mine where I actually did the tune up series. So I was a, newbie, and then I didn't know that this goes first and then the tire goes next. So I just started pushing, and then I removed the tires, and then I did it worked. Okay, I think it is flush now. Yeah, so the exhaust is here now. That looks good. So this is really flashy compared to the one which you are having there. So I'm just planning to replace the cars on the top. There is one section here. Let me show you. You can see there. And either I'm going to replace that with this six, or this with this top one with this, because those are Hot Wheels and there is one Tomica there. So either I'm going to replace that or I'm going to replace that. Something is getting replaced by end of this week. Okay, so let me put this tires also. Okay, that goes really easy this time. I used to struggle with this back then. This time it is really easy. I'm really happy that they made it easier. Okay, okay, that looks really beautiful. Yeah, that is really good. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. Again, you can easily say right now I'm giving it 10 out of 10 because there is nothing to complain here. Again, the scratches and everything, that is only in my casting. Yours might not have that, so don't worry about it. So just when you are picking the box, just look at it, because I usually won't have time for those. I just take one and then see the name of the car, or see the car itself, and then just put it in my shopping bucket. That's it. So if you are really that much into detailing or the scratches and everything for this specific range, so just look at the blister before you buy it, so you won't be having these issues. So yeah, so that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.